morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Fam, say good morning.
Good morning.
You guys, the birthday weekend has officially begun right now, this minute, today, okay? Your girl is about to be 30 fine, honey, fine, okay? So your girl went and get a little hair done, a little nails done, and looking like a birthday girl, even though today's not my birthday, but I'm getting in the mood of birthday. So much update to give you guys, but first, hope you guys are having a good day. You want to say something to the faves?
Yes.
What you want to tell faves? Speak up. Right. In case you guys didn't hear what Tyler just said, why am I shouting? That's just naturally me. Tyler says we're on our way to the supermarket, and then when we leave the supermarket, we're going to pick up Auntie Chanel and Uncle Tony. That's exactly what he just said. Okay, let me break it down for you guys. All right, my friend, my best friend is here from Jamaica. She and her boo is in Paris, and they're on their way to spend the weekend avec moi. They're spending the weekend with me and the fam. So she's on her way here, so we're running to the supermarket real quick, and then we're going to pick them up from the train station because they're on their way from Paris in the train to come and stay with us. So my bestie boo is here, one of my girls. She's actually Tyler's godmother, so you know the best friend is a real thing. If you guys know that I have some really close females to my heart, which I call best friends, 5 in particular, which means everything to me from I was growing up from this tender age. Some who I meet at college and along the way throughout my life. So she's one of my main girls, and she's coming. Chanel, I can't wait to see you. So Chanel is on her way here. Like I said, she's also one of Tyler's godmother, and she'll get to spend some time with Tyler also. So yeah, that's what's going on today. It's Friday, and baby's not going to work because originally we had planned to take the weekend off, including today, from months in advance, because we know that it would have been my 30th birthday and we wanted to celebrate big. But because I went to Jamaica, fortunately, and we had to do so many spending, we decided to just pull back on all those big plans that we had for my 30th birthday, which is totally fine with me, though it's a girl 30th and I wanted to go big, but that's okay. That's life. It hits you, and it hits you hard sometimes, and you just have to deal with it as you go along. Anyway, we're here, and the birthday turn up is about to get real. When I say turn up, I don't mean club, honey. I haven't gone to clubs since 2011. We're just gonna have fun and travel and road trips and just have a great time. Like you guys can see, the fam bam is doing well, and I can't wait to go and see my girl. But let's go pick up a few goodies first. So you guys enjoy your day, enjoy today's vlog, and if it's your first time to our channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you catch up and keep up with all the happenings. Yes, my love? We're going to supermarket first to pick up some goodies, okay? Anyway, you guys, we catch you guys along our day. You guys, let me tell you what's been going on. I've been rushing so bad that I haven't get to vlog, not even for 1 minute. I went to the fruits and veggies supermarket, and I had to went in all by myself because I have to go in all by myself because Tyler was sleeping, so babe stayed in the car with him. And then I went to the other supermarket, and he was still sleeping, but then babe and Tyler met me in there after, pick up goodies. And then We remember that we haven't eaten all morning because we woke up this morning and was on a mission to get some stuff done. So we rushed to Burger King and pick up some food, and now we're on our way to get Shan from the train station, but we'll get there just in time, or they might get there like 5 minutes before us, because we have 10 minutes to reach in town. And she had told me that she was gonna reach 4 o'clock, but then earlier she told me that she was gonna reach 4:10. So my fingers crossed that is 4:10 she reaching and not 4 o'clock. Because this girl is not a late person. If I late, I'm just gonna die, okay? I don't like to be late. I'm never late for anything, nothing. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to Shan. Girl, we're coming. What? You guys, we're at the train station, and Shaniel's train is 5 minutes late, thank God. So I'm gonna see her. Our train just arrived. So the real Jamaican is gonna scream. Yes? Okay, let's look for Auntie Shaniel.
Louis Vuitton.
Yes. She's back here. Every direction because I don't know which direction she's coming from. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I don't know where she's coming from. As in,
So why are you nervous?
Because I don't know which where she can be coming to. I don't want her to pass me and go outside.
She won't pass you.
Why not?
Because I know if she come here, she's gonna stop in the hall.
Yeah, but I'm thinking there's no other door down there that she can go through, right?
I don't think so.
Look at lipstick on you. Don't stop. Oh my gosh. You see godmother time? Look at godmother. Tell her you see godmother. Look at you. Guys, best friend is here. Finally! Yes! Best friend is here, you guys, and the weekend is gonna be lit. Yes, Ty! Here. The crew is behind me. We're walking, we're sightseeing. Shan! Shanil! Yes. Say hi! Hi! Tony, say hi! We're going to the fountain. The fountain is up and running today. So we're heading to the fountain. We're actually there right now. We're there! Awesome picture spot, right? No, 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 no! Don't go too close. Come! They're over there taking pictures. That Tyler right there. I won't tell you what he said. You guys, we are actually at a... You like it? We're actually at a restaurant right now. We're hungry after that long walk. We take them to the lookout point, of course. You tell them, you got your water? What else you want to tell them? What are you drinking? Fizzy? Ooh. Anyway, you guys, we're ordering our food and then we're gonna eat and head home. We are tired. Yeah. It's been a long walk. You enjoy the walk, Shan?
Yes, I did. Nice is absolutely beautiful.
You hear that?
About it, I was like, okay, but now I actually see it for myself.
And you both gonna come back, right? You're gonna come back? You sure? You sure?
Yes, I know where you are. So
Look, order.
Find something?
Ready, yes.
Ready?
Yes.
yeah.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna order right now. We're just here. Food time.
Bon appetit,
That's
everybody.
the food. Babe, what's the name of this restaurant? Just in case anybody visit Nice. L'Astoria. So we're at L'Astoria and the food looks so good. That's Babe. That's mine, and that's stew beef and a type of pasta. Baby's having pasta with what?
It's like bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs. Tyler is having pasta and tomato sauce. Tyler, is hot. It's hot? Take your time. What is Tony having?
Lamb shank.
Lamb. Ooh, and Shan is having
Lamb shank and mussel.
mussels. Okay, bon appetit.
Mama.
Yes.
Tony having chicken salad.
Uncle Tony's having chicken salad. Okay, coming from Tyler.
What you want?
Yes, big one.
This game playing actually at the stadium. Team of Ace is playing.
We are walking in the park after dinner with the fam. Hey guys, oh my gosh, it's just been a long and amazing day. My best friend is here. She's finally here with me, and they're actually sleeping right now. Everybody's off to bed, but I had to stay up and get the vlog ready, so I did that and publish. Tyler's off to bed, baby's off to bed, and I am going to head to bed in a bit. I was just getting some work done to make sure you guys get the vlog. Anyway, you guys, it's been an amazing day. To have my friends with me, it's just been a blessing. Anyway, you guys, you know, when it's nights like this, so sorry, really sorry that you guys won't get any expression, but I'm sure you guys understand, and I'm sure you guys enjoy the vlog, and the next few days vlog will be just as fun as today, are even more fun. Anyway, you guys, the birthday weekend continues. And this video, thumbs up if it's the first time to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.